Guys, Mitchell here. So let's compare Carnival to the others, right? So the first thing about Carnival is affordability. Carnival is not one of your high level type cruises, right? By that I mean you're not paying the premium price like you would for, say, like Royal Caribbean, Norwegian, or even Disney, right? Those are, especially Disney, it's a theme type cruise, right? So Carnival is really designed to be affordable. It's meant to give you that full experience, but on a, more of a restrained budget, shall we say, right? That's a good thing about Carnival. Also has this great atmosphere vibe, right? It's a vibe for young families, 30s and below probably, right? Couple kids, teenagers and people like that. It's really designed to on the go. Things are always going on, something to do all the time. There's always events happening, right? Where if you compare that to, say, Princess, right? It's not the same. Princess vibe is nice, but it's more of a mature vibe, right? Now there are some young people who go, of course, on the Princess cruises, but the atmosphere of the Carnival is definitely meant to be more of a young vibe, of course, right? They're shooting for certain demographic, and that's the younger folks with the kids and stuff like that, of course, right? And now with Carnival too, you're gonna have these family-friendly options. So what I mean, you have like parks on there, water parks, you have these great picnic types, kids clubs, you have all these kind of things, right? So you're probably saying right now, but Mitchell, so does Disney. Disney has all that too. Well, but Disney, though, you're paying a premium for that, right? Which is, that's up to you if you can afford to go for it, right? But again, Carnival gives you that experience, right? But you're not paying the Disney price. Now, of course, that's up to you what you want to spend, though. But if you want to get that experience, right, from a younger type event for children, right? Carnival for sure is the one you want to go with. Definitely. Carnival ships, they're not huge, right? Like the Icon, right? They're not huge. They're more of your medium class ship. They're meant to give you the bang for your buck, right? So they don't have the zip lines, stuff like that, like the bigger ships do, right? It's a medium sized cruise ship, but it is really packed to the gills and designed to make sure your family has a great time. That's why they do what they do. That's why Carnival is successful, because they're giving you the basically what I call a discount price, but giving you the full effect of a cruise, which I think is really awesome, right? At this point here, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please support this channel. It's very small, but we're making a big hit out there, okay? Let's keep on going now. When it comes to entertainment and activities, sorry, you can't beat Carnival, because they have comedy, they have shows, they have dances, they have all sorts of cool stuff going on, right? They have like live music and pool parties, right? So on the MSC, the line I took, right? It's more subdued, fun, but it's more subdued, right? More like Broadway shows on the MSC. You won't find it on the Carnival, but you will have a blast anyway. Again, it's for younger people, it's designed for them, and so if that's you, right? That's what you want to do. It's more of a live type party, vibing type ship, it's really great. Now, a lot of the ships, you notice, they have itineraries, of course. So Carnival's itineraries are not for long cruises, maybe 7, maybe 10 days at most. They're not designed to be these 17, 20 days. Like we did a cruise to Hawaii on the Princess. That was an 18-day cruise. Carnival doesn't do stuff like that. It's a little bit too long for them, They really are doing that, the economic, smart type, short type cruise, maybe 7 or 8 days. We just have a blast the whole time, it's high energy, just hitting it hard, having fun, whatever, right? Because that kind of energy wouldn't last for 18 days. You'd be tired by day 10, you'd probably fall asleep, right? But Carnival is just this high impact, very family friendly, things for the kids to do all the time they're awake, right? It's really designed for that certain demographic, right? That's what it's designed for, of course. Last thing I want to tell you is about the food. Now, on the Princess and MSC, whatever, the Royal Caribbean, whatever, there's certain times to eat, certain times to eat, right? But on the Carnival Cruises, you have these all night, 24-hour eateries, pizzas, hot dogs, whatever. Again, it's for the kids, it's for young people, right? Who want to eat pizza all night long, who can do that and not gain a pound, right? Like me, no way, that would kill me, right? But it's for the younger people, so it's that fun party type effect, that Carnival offers you. So do I recommend Carnival? Yeah, I recommend Carnival. It's not for me particularly, because those are my past days, right? But a lot of my friends I know, they're young families, they have friends, whatever. People who would enjoy that kind of environment, people who want their kids to be entertained and safe, People who want to have a fun 7 or 8 day cruise with their family, just to get away and spend time with the family and have things to do. I mean, my gosh, Carnival is the way to go, of course, right? So there we go. And no, guys, no, I am not affiliated with Carnival. I don't get any kind of pay for this, this video. I'm just telling you what I know about Carnival, and it's a great experience. You should do it if you want to, okay? Have a good night. Bye-bye.